guys, I decided to make a short video to talk to you guys about the making of 3 Scoops. So you can understand the reason and the story behind the short film, because that's what I'm gonna go. I am really enjoying making animations on my channel. I feel like that's the direction I want to go, but I also want to continue showing you guys the process of making my characters or drawing or just like in the mood of doing something. But I see y'all guys actually like my animation, which is the one I did. My official one I did is the 3 Scoops. And I did that with my daughter, and she is the voice of one of my characters named Bella. And that was very, very fun to make. I see y'all watching it a lot and it's getting more views on that video. And it's not even that, it's just the point that I like to make animations and I feel like it's very, very fun to do. But with that being said, it is a long process. That means it takes a lot of work to do. People that been making videos, like been making animations, trust me, I get it. Like, that's a lot. That was just a 1 minute. Maybe it took me so long to do, but I enjoy it. I was already making scenes already for my characters, so it's like I had to make scenes and I had to make different types of scenes. If you haven't seen 3 Scoops, I don't know what to tell you, because you know you're gonna see some things that I'm gonna talk about and share in this video. I just want to tell you like the characters behind or every scene. Like I said, Candy's shop is my character. Her name is Candy. She is the lollipop girl. You can go check her out. And Bella is my other character I made. I also have other characters. With that being said, let me go ahead and go into the story. Bella is walking in the store. She's with her mom. You don't see her mom because I didn't want to take away from Bella, because she's the main character in that short. So I wanted you to be focused on Bella and nothing else. She is going into the store, which you see the store first. It's like a ice cream cone that she's walking up to. Yes, it's like a waffle cone, and then you see the building is like scoops of ice cream. So she's going inside the store and she's looking at the counter, which is the counter is with all kind of stuff that's on. Like she got candy bags, elephants, and then you have the chalkboard. It's a story behind everything. So it's basically every little scene took apart to make it. Like I had to be like, I want to add this, I want to add that, because I want to make it an experience. When you walking in there, you can see what she's seeing. So you don't see Bella right now. You'll see her every once in a while, but as you will see the flickering of that's her eyes looking across the counter and seeing all the things that she can get. And she's like, then she looks at the the menu and she says, I want to build, basically she want to build an ice cream. That's what she did. Didn't know her ice cream was gonna be that big, so she did that ice cream. And the crazy thing about it, I didn't make that ice cream for that. I made an ice cream for her room, her poster in her room. I was like, oh, I can use this for the video. Crazy how everything came together. And I was like, I had the scoop of the ice cream with the elephant, and I put the scoop in there. Obviously you can see it's from the poster, and you see it already dripping from the poster. And I wanted that actually to drip like I did in the poster, so I had to learn. I didn't watch anything. I just like, okay, I'm gonna draw this. I'm gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna keep doing it to the point I like it, and it looks so good. I'm like, I'm so shocked and surprised at myself how I did that with no help. So I was like, it's very, like I said, it's so crazy how you can do things without even know that you can do it, So anyway, so I made the drips of the ice cream because I feel like it made it more real than just a plain picture of an ice cream cone. You would know that it was on the table and it was sitting there. She was so fascinated by this ice cream cone. She took so long and it started melting and dripping down. And then at the end, you see she talks to her mom and say, can she come back again? And her mom says, maybe. Crazy thing about that song at the end, my daughter is the voice of Bella, and I was like, you like the song at the end of it? She's like, no, I don't like that song at the end. And I was like, and I put it together with it. She's like, okay, I like it now. It went with the story. It was fun, and I like happy little song at the end. So I kind of liked that. I had put the story in the description down below, basically telling you that the story is basically Bella and her mom. Bella is walking to the candy shop, which is the grand opening. It's one of her favorite TV stars. It was about to be her favorite place that she ever went to, and she's gonna get the biggest ice cream she ever got. She also is going to get some lollipops. If you see the picture that I had with Bella and Nina, and you'll see the lollipops on the floor. Lollipop Girl will actually make an appearance in one of these episodes. That was the first episode, okay? I would say that. I feel like it is. I feel like it's the first episode. The other episode is going to get kind of longer, maybe, because I know that's going to take a lot of me, a lot of things I have to draw, and a lot of animations I have to do to make that, it's gonna take a long time. Let me know if you like videos explaining behind the animation, and then I'll come up here and talk to you guys and tell you why the behind the scenes and like the behind the story and all those things about the animation. If you like that, let me know, because I will continue doing that every time I drop an animation. And I'll come and I'll explain like, hey, do y'all see this part right here? Do y'all understand this part right here? And basically tell you guys what I did and why I did it, because I am working on one right now. That is what I said on my community post. I was gonna show you guys of me redrawing Zoe the Bug Girl, but if you want to see that video still, I will put it out. But if you want to see that, let me know. See more animations, put it down in the comments below. Say I want to see more animations and like this video, so I'll know that you like videos like that and then that you want to see more, animations from me. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And if you want to go see more videos of me, I'll put it right here so you can go check this video out. You might like it. And guys, I pray that you all have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.